STERIS, your trusted partner for contamination control equipment and services, has introduced a new and enhanced equipment qualification service that brings the experience directly to you. Virtual Factory Acceptance Testing, or VFAT, designed to save you time and developed to meet your process and protocol demands by delivering the optimal remote testing experience. STERIS's Virtual FAT service saves you time by eliminating the need to travel while maintaining the thoroughness of STERIS's on-site factory acceptance testing. Collaborate with experts who have designed, built, and tested hundreds of units. Ask questions and receive answers in real time. Utilize visualization technology that enhances acceptance testing. As your trusted partner, STERIS offers multiple options for factory acceptance testing to best suit your needs. In person at our facilities, merging in-person and virtual connections, or through the time-saving enhanced visualization of Virtual FAT, Virtual Factory Acceptance Testing from STERIS. Reach production 25% faster with STERIS's CGMP qualification, which combines Virtual FAT, SAT, and IQ/OQ in one package, offering you more control and helping to ensure your success. STERIS Virtual FAT. Smart, sustainable support.